to go ahead and open up your hood, locate your air box or air filter area, and then you're going to find your mass airflow sensor right here. I'm going to go ahead and use a pry tool on this red lock, twist that up, and you want to go ahead and pinch the tab right here and wiggle the sensor off. And I'll pull that connector off, actually, not the sensor. We're going to go ahead and use a Torx bit right here. I'm going to use a T20. Go ahead and remove these screws. Go ahead and set the screws aside. You can go ahead and grab that sensor and gently pull that out. And go ahead and take your mass airflow sensor, line that up, insert that in. You want to make sure that the sensor itself has a little lock tab on the top for your wire harness to attach to. You can go ahead and get the screws started by hand if you want. Then we're just going to go ahead and snug those down. And we're just going to gently snug those down. Once you feel it start to tighten up just a little bit more, and that's it. Same on this screw here. You feel it start to snug up just a hair a bit more, and that's all. Then go ahead and grab your connector. You could line this up, press that on, and then press your lock tab into place.